Good day everyone, my name is Ricardo Dennis Basilang III. I'm one of the researchers, and I'm here to introduce to you a study that we are currently conducting entitled Lost and Found Monitoring Solution, utilizing a web-based system at Rizal Technological University. First, let me introduce to you our team and my fellow researchers. Me, Basilang III Cardenas. I'm one of the in charge of documentation. Glenn Daniel Gal and Juliana AG is our developers. Next is Lubugan John Eric M is our QA and tester. Missy Carona Winona F is also the part of who is in charge in our documentation. This is the short introduction of our research. Nowadays, losing things like personal belongings are more likely common to happen in our house, workplace, market, or even in our schools and campuses, especially in our institute, which is Rizal Technological University. According to NotLoss.com 2023, university students are losing more things than ever. They stated that over 50% of students have lost something in campus during one academic year alone. Of these, the average student loses at least two items per year. Losing a personal belongings can be more or distressing experience, especially to students like us, like and the traditional approach of finding a physical lost and found station can be so challenging if you especially if you are not familiar with the surroundings or in your place like school, especially when you're new in that institute. To address this issue, we the researchers aim to create a web-based lost and found system that the primary goal is to develop a system that benefits the Rizal Technological University community, including the students, professors, and unauthorized personnel who can access the university's domain. They, the student and professors that that have authorized, which we mean in here is that they have a email as the institute email that they can use to log into our system. This digital system is intended to streamline the process of reporting and retrieving items, making it more convenient and efficient. That's all.
Good day, everyone. My name is Generic Makalam Bidugan, and I am going to present the objectives of the study. The main goal of this research is to modernize and enhance the procedures in retrieving lost items within the Rizal Technological University. The following are the more in-depth objectives. The first one is to enhance the ability to manage the item recovery process by utilizing the MERN stack. This stack offers a robust and flexible platform for creating a more efficient and responsive system for monitoring and retrieving lost items. The second one is to develop a user-friendly web-based system that serves as an extension of the existing lost and found monitoring system. This system will provide a user-friendly interface that is comprehensible, accessible, and efficient, enhancing the user experience for both those reporting lost items and those searching for lost items. The third one is to transform the traditional manual procedure of the lost and found system into a digital format. This transition is intended to reduce paperwork, streamline data collection, and improve the overall efficiency of the lost and found process. In conclusion, this research aims to address the challenges associated with lost items at Rizal Technological University by developing a modernized lost and found web-based system powered by the MERN stack that will facilitate better item recovery management, provide a user-friendly experience, and replace traditional methods with digital solutions.
For scope and limitation, I'm here to provide you with an overview of our system's key features and policies. Our system is designed to serve the Rizal Technological University, ensuring a streamlined process for managing lost items. So let's delve into the details. First is our scope. Our primary objective is to create a comprehensive database for lost items. This database will serve as a valuable resources for the entire RTU community. As researcher, we use MongoDB for its high scalability and performance. So next is user-friendly web-based system. To achieve this objective, we're developing a user-friendly web-based system, and it is designed to be accessible online, ensuring that all members of the university community can easily access and benefit from our services. For user roles, our system caters to three primary user roles. First is administrators. These individuals are responsible for system management, ensuring the database runs efficiently. Second is moderators. Moderators play a critical role in overseeing the lost and found process, adding an extra layer of responsibility to our system. And last is the university users. This category encompasses students, faculty, and staff at Rizal Technological University. You can use the system to request and reclaim lost items. Last is the user verification procedures. To enhance security, we are considering the implementation of user verification procedures during the sign-up and login process. These procedures may involve the use of technologies such as JWT or JSON Web Token and Google OAuth. Next are the limitations. First is exclusive RTU domain access, means our system boasts exclusive access within the RTU domain, granting all users, from students to professors and other university personnel, the ability to conveniently request and reclaim house items. This accessibility ensures that anyone within the RTU community can benefit from the system services. Next is data security and privacy. One of our top priorities is data security and privacy. We have implemented robust measures to safeguard user information. However, it is important to note that there may be limitations in protecting user data, especially when users do not follow basic credential protection practices. So, we encourage all users to be vigilant and take responsibility for their account security. Next is scheduling process. The scheduling process is an integral part of our system. It's worth mentioning that users may have limited control over their preferred schedule. Administrators play a crucial role in determining and communicating schedules via email. This ensures a structured and organized approach to the recovery and return of those items. Next is distributed ownership policy. In cases in cases of disputed ownership over a lost item, our system adheres to a single claiming policy. The decision ultimately rests with the administrators, who are trained to handle such situations with fairness and efficiency. This policy ensures a clear and straightforward resolution process. Last is the preventing online misbehavior. to maintain a respectful and supportive online environment. Reporting lost items on the system is limited to administrators. In addition, item reporting may require physical verification at the designated location. This approach may help preventing trolling and disruptive online behavior, promoting a safer and more constructive experience for all users. That's
Good day, everyone. I am Rona Winona at Mystica, one of the researchers, and I will be discussing today the topic of the significance of our study. This research is of great significance in Rizal Technological University because the lost and found monitoring system aims to improve on how the institutions handling the recording and monitoring of the lost items within the campus and also the retrieval process of it. Moreover, the intended user of this system is also one of the beneficiaries of the study. The intended users are the students, faculty, and any university personnel who has the provided institution email. They will benefit because the system is made for Rizal Technological University. They can access the system, and if ever they lost their items inside the campus, they can use the system to locate their items by browsing the database of the lost reported items. And after that, they can make a request to retrieve their items. Lastly, this research paper can serve as related literature for those prospective researchers who aspire to conduct the same subject area. That's all for our significance of the study. Thank you.
okay. So for the methodologies, for the project, which is lost in found monitoring solution, utilizing a web-based system. The methodology that the team uses is Agile model, as the scope and requirements can evolve as our team gain a deeper understanding of the problem and process. With Agile, the team will be able to break down the project into smaller pieces, and each pieces will have a certain deadline, so that the team will continue to collaborate and review each progress. So, as you can see, we do have, or the Agile model has a circular diagram or flow diagram. So, for the first step for Agile is a requirement analysis, or let's say brainstorm. So the team first defined the requirements from researching from other related study, and as the team done to gather information, our next step is a design or a collaboration. We'll start by identifying the project using flow diagram that will show how to apply the system to the project. The next is development, iterations, demo, and feedback. So this is will or this is when the team will work begin and will undergo the various stages of improvement. So next is from testing. The QA of the team will examine the performance of each progress and will issue the system to the user's environment. And as for the user's experience the performance of the system, a team will then continue to maintain improvement cycle based on the ongoing feedback. And that will ensure that the final aligns better with the actual needs of the users.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm here to present our system demo. First, I would like to address some stuff first. First thing first, everything you see here in our system is subject to change. It means it's on alpha stages. It's not in full release yet. Now that thing is out of the way, let's get started. As you can see here, this is our landing page, and the user is being thrown up at the first startup, and at our bottom part is our FAQ. Now let's just try to sign up. Now when you sign up, you can see our third-party API, which is Google. You can see here, you can pick every email you have entered in Google, and if you try to use not validated RTU account like this, my personal account, it will show you that it will not be given any access. So let's go back, and now we will try to choose the um, legitimate RTU email account, this. So when I click that, it will give me access to dashboard and throw me to the dashboard. But before that, you will see there's a terms and agreement before you can use our system. So let's kindly accept that. Now it will finally throw you in the dashboard. Now in the dashboard, you can see our sample data of pictures and of the items. And here you can see your image, which is if you click, it will bring you in a profile, and there's a logout button here. And we will use that later. So let's go back. So let's test some items like this phone. So when you click the phone, you will see the enlarger image, the descriptions, and where it's been found at. Now let's request for appointment. Now when you request appointment, you will be presented the decision if you are certain about that decision. Let's pick yes, and there's a pop-up message that will say that your request has been sent to the administrators and you have to further wait for details. Just click OK, and then you will be thrown back at the dashboard, and you can see here that our search bar is fully functional, as you can see, and that's about it. Let's log out, and it will throw you back in the landing page. And that's all. Thank you.